K2 ROTON Wheel Cleaner Overview. K2 ROTON Pro, a professional wheel cleaner. This wheel cleaner is used both by car enthusiasts and detailing professionals, so it is available in different sizes from 750 milliliters to 20 liters. Let's take a look at the 750 milliliter container. The bottle has a sprayer nozzle. Inspect the inside of the rims for stub and dirt, including asphalt, brake dust, etc. The cleaner has a slightly thick, gel-like texture as well as a strong smell, typical for wheel cleaners. Keep this in mind when working with this product. Spray it directly onto the contaminated areas. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. When the product turns dark red, this means that it has started to work. Remove particularly stubborn dirt with a brush or a special rim brush. Thoroughly rinse the wheels with water using a pressure washer. Standard car chemicals used at car wash services are not able to remove stubborn dirt from wheel rims. That's why it's better to use specialized products like the K2 ROTON Pro Wheel Cleaner. You can find this and many other products in our app.